Finding a good home isn't easy, but finding a great home is near impossible. This 3/2 pool home on a corner lot is a dream to see. Open floor plan, vaulted ceilings with tile floors in living area lead to the high-impact slider doors to a beautiful pool area. Enjoy your own bit of paradise in this large private fenced backyard. The updated kitchen has appliances from 2018 and 2019. Washer, dryer and water heater located in the garage are new this year. Pool was converted to salt pump, added a child safety fence and more, totaling approximately $10,000. New landscape, seamless gutters. The breakfast nook is used as office area and perfect for schooling remotely. Third bedroom has closet opened up for sitting area, easy to put back if buyer desires. Easy access to shops, dining and Sawgrass Highway.